What if you could start building an online income stream today without spending a single dollar on software? Most content about AI and passive income assumes you're willing to pay for tools upfront. And while paid tools do unlock more capability, the truth is that the free tiers available right now are genuinely powerful enough to get started and start generating real results. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a passive income stream using only free AI tools, what the tools are, how to use them together, and what realistic expectations look like for someone starting from scratch. Let's get into it. Before we talk tools, let's be honest about what passive income actually means, because the term gets thrown around a lot and it rarely means what people think it does. Passive income is not money that appears without effort. It's money that comes from work you did in the past. A YouTube video you published 6 months ago that's still getting views. A blog post that's still ranking in Google. A digital product someone buys while you're asleep. The passive part comes later. The active part, creating the thing, comes first. And that's where AI tools change the equation, because they dramatically reduce the time and cost of creating the thing in the first place. Let's go through the tools. These all have genuinely useful free tiers, not crippled demos, but functional plans that let you produce real work. ChatGPT Free Plan. ChatGPT's free plan gives you access to a capable AI writing assistant that can help you research topics, outline scripts, draft blog posts, generate social media captions, and brainstorm ideas. For content creation and research, it covers a significant amount of ground without costing anything. The paid plan adds more capability, but the free version is more than enough to get started. Claude Free Plan. Claude is an alternative to ChatGPT that many creators find produces more nuanced, natural-sounding writing. The free plan has usage limits, but is capable enough for drafting scripts, refining content, and working through ideas. Worth having both available and using whichever produces the better result for a given task. ElevenLabs Free Plan. ElevenLabs offers a free plan that gives you a limited number of characters per month to generate AI voiceovers. For testing voices and producing short-form content, the free tier is workable. As your output scales, you'll likely want to upgrade, but for getting started, it removes the barrier entirely. Canva Free Plan. Canva's free plan covers the vast majority of what a content creator needs: YouTube thumbnails, social graphics, presentation slides, ebook layouts, and more. The design quality available on the free plan is more than sufficient for a professional-looking output. InVideo AI Free Plan. InVideo AI's free plan allows you to generate a limited number of videos per month with a watermark. For testing your workflow and producing your first pieces of content, it's enough to get going. Once you're generating revenue, upgrading removes the watermark and increases your output limit. YouTube Free Platform. YouTube itself is free to use, free to publish on, and free to monetize once you hit the partner program threshold. It's one of the few platforms where you can build a significant passive income stream with no upfront cost beyond your time. Now let's talk about how these tools fit together into an actual income model. The most accessible passive income model for someone starting with free AI tools is a faceless YouTube channel combined with affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You choose a niche, a topic you can cover consistently that has an audience and monetization potential. AI tools, personal finance, productivity, health, or any number of other areas work well. You use ChatGPT or Claude to research topics and draft scripts. You use ElevenLabs to generate the voiceover, InVideo AI to assemble the video, Canva to design the thumbnail. Then you publish on YouTube for free. In your video descriptions, you include affiliate links for the tools and products you mention. When someone clicks your link and signs up or buys, you earn a commission. That commission gets paid whether you're watching or sleeping. As the channel grows and hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you apply for the YouTube Partner Program. From that point, ad revenue starts stacking on top of your affiliate income. Neither of those income streams requires you to be online when the money comes in. That's the passive part. I want to be straight with you about what to expect, because unrealistic expectations are the #1 reason people quit before they see results. In the first 1 to 3 months, you will likely earn very little. Your videos will get low views, your affiliate clicks will be minimal, and there will be moments where it feels like nothing is working. That is completely normal. Every channel and every content business goes through this phase. The algorithm takes time to understand your content. Your audience takes time to find you, and your skills take time to develop. The channels that make it are the ones that kept publishing during that phase anyway. By months 3 to 6, if you've been consistent, you'll typically start to see traction. A video will perform better than expected, your subscriber count will start to move, your affiliate links will start to convert. By month 12, a channel publishing 1 to 2 videos per week can reasonably expect to be monetized and generating a meaningful affiliate income alongside it. Not life-changing money for most people at that stage, but real recurring income from content you created months earlier. That's what passive income actually looks like in practice, and it's built entirely on a foundation of free tools and consistent effort. Here's the simplest possible starting point. Pick one niche. Don't overthink it. Pick something you're genuinely curious about that has an audience online. Set up a free YouTube channel. Create a free Canva account for thumbnails. Create free accounts on ChatGPT and ElevenLabs. Sign up for 1 or 2 affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Most are free to join. Then make your first video. It won't be perfect. It doesn't need to be. The goal of the first video is simply to complete the process from start to finish so you understand how it works. Every video after that will be better than the last. That's how this works. The tools to build a passive income stream online have never been more accessible. The free plans available today are genuinely capable of producing professional quality content. The only thing standing between where you are now and a working income stream is starting and staying consistent long enough for the results to show up. If this video was useful, subscribe. We publish practical guides on AI tools and online income every week. Honest, no hype content for people who want to build something real. The links for everything mentioned in this video are in the description below. I'll see you in the next one.